Okay, this tutorial is going to show you, hopefully, how to create a Flash font file for OpenTshirts. This time we're going to use FlashDevelop. It's open source code editor you can download freely. FlashDevelop.org. Download, it's pretty quick, painless. So they have instructions there how to install it, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. So once you've got it installed and started, first thing you're going to do is go to Project, New. You're going to pick AS3 project, and we're going to name this one Cancun because that's the font I'm going to be working with. And it's going to go into my OpenTshirt fonts folder. And it's going to create a folder or directory in that folder for Cancun. As you can see here, it's going to create the project file in that location. So we click OK. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to Source. We're going to right click, go to Add, and to Add Font Library. And we're going to name this Cancun because that's the name of the font I'm working with. Click OK. And it's done the work for us right here. It's right here you can see it's got the embed source Cancun TTF. This is we're going to have to change. We need to point it to where the font is, the actual font file. And to do that, I work with copies of fonts rather than the system installed font. So I have a folder with copies of my TrueType fonts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do copy Cancun, right click, copy, and I'm going to go into my OpenTshirt font folder, which is somewhere in here, and OpenTshirt fonts, and here's the Cancun folder, and I'm going to put it in the source. Right click and paste. And there's my TrueType font. So in source, you see Cancun TTF file is now there. I'm going to click over here on this ActionScript file right underneath the embed line. Come back here, right click on the TrueType font, generate embed code. Puts the source in there with the proper file name. I need the backspace. I need to get rid of this closing bracket and parentheses. Don't need that there. That. And we're going to delete the original embed line up there. And that pretty much takes care of the embed code. Then we come over here to main. We don't need this. Right click, delete. Kiss it goodbye, and then we're going to right click on this Cancun action script and we're going to do set document class. And that is about all the work you need. This Unicode range, this shows the characters that are going to be imported or embedded. You can choose which characters to include. I just leave it at the default, pretty much upper lowercase and a few other symbols that may be needed. But that's pretty much it. From there, last thing you do is go to right click on this Cancun AS3, build the project, and hopefully it'll go through. No build succeeded, no errors, so we're good. And we have just created our Flash font file. And now we will go into Open Cart Administration and extensions, OpenTshirts, fonts, and fonts. We're going to go to Add Font. I'm going to name this Cancun. I'm going to upload the TrueType font, which is located in my OpenTshirts Cancun source, and there it is. And you see our sample there. Then we're going to upload the Flash file, which would be in our OpenTshirts Fonts Cancun bin, or binary, and Cancun, open, save, go to storefront, start designing, and let's add some text, and let's see if Cancun appears, and there's our Cancun. Give her an effect, outline, drop shadow. You can see everything works just fine. So that's it. If you don't want to spend the money on the SWF Quicker, which is, it's a nice program to have because you can do other things with it, you know, create your own Flash banners and whatnot. But if you just strictly want to do it for fonts, and hopefully later I'll get a tutorial going on how to do the clip art. FlashDevelop, free. Good luck. Thanks for watching.